Yo, guys, y'all know I only come on here to give y'all free game. You know what I'm saying? This one right here caught me by total surprise. I was not expecting this one at all because this shoe don't release until like November. So I don't even know the release date. No release date is confirmed as of yet. Nike ain't come out here saying when they're releasing, but these things are live, bro. I gotta put y'all on today's video, and shouts out to the homie Jay, the sneaker guy. He plugged your boy in. I had to put my boys on and let them know what's going on. So now I gotta come on YouTube and help a couple of them OG sneaker collectors out there. So let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video, man. I greatly appreciate you guys for tuning in. Come see what your boy The Vintage is talking about. And yes, it was a shock drop, and it's a shock drop that's still currently available as of right now. Supposed to drop this video yesterday, but you know, life be lifing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't prioritize this video, but I was like, you know what? They're still available, and I can still help you guys out. Before we get any further in today's video, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, everybody watching, run them likes up. Them likes is free 99. You guys seen, bro, we just unveiled the March 1st release of the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, and just know these early looks ain't free, but them likes are definitely free. So help your boy out if y'all want to see more early content, more informative videos. Y'all keep engaging with the the content, keep liking the videos, keep commenting the videos. The early content, the early heat, and all that will follow suit, man. So it'd be greatly appreciated if y'all do those three things for your boy. All right, so I dropped a video about 2 weeks ago talking about my most anticipated Jordan releases of 2025. And there's some that I have currently, and there's some that still have not came out yet. Like they still ain't came out. I'm still waiting on them. But there was one in particular that I've been wanting since 2012. I think it was 2012 or 2013. I cannot remember the year, but it was my junior year in high school. It was my junior year in high school, and my boy, he had the sneakers on his feet, and I said, man, I really want them joints, and I just couldn't afford them at the time. So this has been a over 10-year wait for me to, obtain this sneaker. And the homie Jay Sneaker Guy and the homie, he got kicks. It was like a simultaneous thing, bro. I got a message from Jay, and the next thing you know, I got a message from the homie, he got kicks, man. Shouts out to my bros. Y'all go subscribe to their YouTube channels. But they was like, hey, man, go ahead and click that link. And the link took me to the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays. Yes, the Air Jordan 9 Cool Grays officially dropped. I think Kicks Crew, it's called Kicks Crew, and I think they are established and based out of the UK or in Germany, one of the two. They're overseas. And what is really crazy is I have not seen an official release date for this sneaker, but they are still currently live on the site. I said, bro, it's been about 3 days, 4 days since I bought these sneakers, and they are still currently sitting. And that kind of tells you one or two things. One, not a lot of people know about this shock drop. Nobody knew about this happening, transpiring. And two, people probably ain't gonna be feeling the cool grades like that, but I haven't seen too many people talking about it socially, like on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube. I haven't seen people talking about it. So, man, I gotta put y'all out there. I gotta put y'all on, because there's some people out there that don't know what's going on. Y'all ain't heard about no shock drop. And usually when you hear shock drop, you just primarily think of Nike sneakers out because they promote shock drops. That's what they go with. And when other stores do it, I guess we can call it something else. But in this general consensus, bro, it's a shock drop from Kick Screw, from a sneaker. I don't even know the release date. Like, I searched on Sneaker Bar Detroit, I searched on GOAT, I searched pretty much everywhere, and there was no like solid concrete date for them. And I think it was sometime in the second half of the year, if I'm not mistaken. But you guys can click that link down below. There are still currently some sizes available, and y'all might be thanking your boy later in the comment section, but I just want to put y'all on game, man. So shock drops be happening out of nowhere from different sites and stuff like that. I had to go back and be like, you know what, let me see what this site is about. I had to go see, check them out on Instagram, ask a couple of the homies about this specific brand, because I never heard about them before. You know what I'm saying? Never heard about them before, but when I seen a grail of mines available this early for retail, might I add, for retail. I said, man, I gotta take full advantage of it. And another thing is they retail for like $198. I'm like, don't J's retail for 200? I don't know, it was a whole crazy situation. But I'm here to put you guys on, let you know what is going on. And I know some OG sneaker collectors they gonna move quick with this one right here. Some pairs are sold out, but there are still some available currently. But and this is sum everything up. You guys have to be subscribed to the YouTube channel. You gotta be following me on Instagram. Sometimes I just drop a quick link over on Instagram, you know, on my story to help y'all out. So I need y'all to keep your eyes peeled open, turn notifications on YouTube, turn them on over on IG. The content may go crazy over there as well. But I'm here to help you guys out. I wish, you know what I'm saying, I had somebody to watch like myself growing up, you know what I'm saying, before I got into YouTube and stuff, just to see what's going on with the releases, where can I cop a pair early, when is shop drop happening, and different things of that sort, because I didn't know anything about it. But so hopefully I'm helping at least 1 or 2 people out there today that, you know, don't have that information. They come to me for a reliable source. You guys know, bro, everything I touch is 100% legit. All the restocks and shop shops we talk about are legit, and I will never lead y'all in the wrong direction. And real quick, before we even wrap up today's video, I wanted to look at these 2 Air Jordan 12s. Now, I might be crazy, you know what I'm saying? I might be crazy. This is the Flu Game Air Jordan 12s, and somebody was like, the red is deeper, or so they said one of the colors is different. And I don't know if I'm colorblind or if y'all just looking at the light, the way the light is hitting it. Am I tripping? This is the same exact red. You guys gotta help me out right here. Somebody said it's a deeper red or a darker red on one of the 2 sneakers. I said, bro, I had to go back and take a double look at the shoe, and I'm like, bro, come on now. This is the same exact red. I hope I'm not tripping, but here goes the 2025 Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, and this is a pair that released back in 2016, and yeah, y'all gotta help me out, bro. Y'all gotta help me out. And I think one of the biggest misconceptions with the 2 different sneakers, one is older and one is newer, is that in itself. One is older and one is newer. And I see a slight difference, but I feel like that's because one pair is a bit older. I don't think they, you know, changed anything. The toe box is looking identical. The tongue is looking identical, but I'm not saying that this is the bad. Like, I love this sneaker. It's the Flu Game 12s, and I feel like a lot of people are going to go out there and go crazy for this release. But somebody mentioned that it's different reds. I'm like, maybe I'm tripping, but I got both shoes in hand and they look near identical. But maybe y'all can help me out. But I know people are going to go crazy for the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games. I know a lot of people was in my comments on an early look saying, oh man, how you ain't gonna want these to come back out? And all I said was, I got the 2016 pair, you know, they still good. I still be rocking them. I wear them to the gym. Y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all see me wearing all types of kicks. But I was like, man, a suede pair with the, you know, the sick emoji, 98 and the 38 points, I think that was on there, one of the 2. I thought that would have been dope. That's just me personally. I thought that would have been crazy. And, you know, that's one of those personal opinions, one of those, you know, personal wants. I ain't talking for everybody, but I know some people in the comments that said they would want to get the suede pair, but hopefully we get this sometime soon. You know what I'm saying? Let's give the OG Flu Games their shine. But hey, Nike, Jordan Brand, bring that suede pair back one time for the one time. I know I'm a cop a pair. You know what I'm saying? I know me personally, I will be securing a pair of those suede joints, and I'm pretty sure it's only a matter of time before they do come out. But in that same note, that pair released when I was in 9th grade or the 8th grade, one of the 2, and we still haven't gotten them again. And this pair came out in 2016, which is about 4 years after that, and we get them again in 2025. So they might have scrapped it. I don't know. Hopefully we do get it eventually, man. And also, you guys should be seeing something very, very early coming very soon near you. I got something special for y'all, and yeah, I hope y'all do enjoy some of this early content. Early content ain't stopping. I know you guys love it, so I'm gonna keep feeding y'all these early visuals, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in to today's video. It's always greatly appreciated, man. I do truly appreciate it, man. We done built one of the best communities on YouTube. I love engaging with you guys, chop it up with you in the comment section. And most of my subscribers hit me up on Instagram personally. We talk about releases. And shouts out to the homie Rashad. He literally sent me the reel of the Air Jordan 4 undefeated. So I'm like, bro, it's gonna be bad this year in terms of spending money. So you guys got a question for me, you guys wanna hit me up, you know where to find me, Instagram link down below. But again, I appreciate it. Sub up, hit that like button, go crazy in the comment section. And with all being said, man, take advantage of that shop drop of the Air Jordan 9 cool grades while supplies last. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.